Have you ever stopped to ask yourself, what if the only thing holding me back from success is me? Most people in their early 20s are stuck replaying the same mental program every single day. Wake up, scroll, complain, repeat. And here's the scary part. If you don't change that program now, you risk living the same unfulfilled life 10 years from today. Do you really want to look back at 30, wishing you had started earlier? Here's the truth. Success isn't about luck. It's about reprogramming your mind to operate like the person you want to become. Think about it. Your brain is like software. If you run old, negative code, you'll keep getting old, negative results. But the moment you upgrade your mental system, everything changes. So how do you do it? First, awareness. Start catching your limiting thoughts. I'm not good enough. I don't have time. I'll do it later. These aren't truths. They're viruses in your system. Second, replacement. Every time one appears, replace it with the opposite command. I am capable. I do have time. I will act now. Third, repetition. Your brain learns through habit. Speak it, write it, live it, until your new program becomes automatic. Ask yourself right now, if I thought like a millionaire, acted like a winner, and moved like someone who refused to quit, what would my life look like in 1 year? The difference between the person you are today and the person you dream of becoming is the program running in your head. Reprogram it, and suddenly, discipline feels natural. Confidence flows. Opportunities appear where you once saw obstacles. But here's the catch. Time won't wait. Every day you delay, your old program grows stronger. Every day you act, your new one takes over. So the question is, are you ready to upgrade your mind today, or will you keep running on outdated code? Your 20s are the foundation of your future. Make sure you're building something worth living for. This is your wake-up call. Don't snooze it. If this message hit you, don't let it fade. Subscribe right now and join a community of people reprogramming their minds for success.